Hey guys, Ernie here, Paleo Hiker MD, and today we're going to do a little quick cooking video. I'm in the middle of my Whole30. I'm on day 6 today, and just putting together a video for the day. And we frequently make something called Tostones, which I'm of Puerto Rican heritage. I was born there, and Tostones are a plantain dish. Now in Puerto Rican cuisine and all through the islands, plantains are used like potatoes are. They're a starch, and they are used very frequently for all kinds of great meals. Now, tostones are traditionally made by frying the plantains twice. You cut the plantains up into chunks about an inch or so, maybe an inch and a quarter in length, and you fry them. You basically par fry them. Then you let them cool, and then you smush them, and then you fry them again to get that crispy texture. Now, to eliminate one of the frying steps, my brother actually came up with, and I'm not sure where he got this, it's probably commonly done, but it was new to me, actually microwaving the plantains. So you cut off the ends, put a slice down the middle, and you microwave it for about 5 minutes. After that, that will serve as the initial par cooking, and then you can just cut it into chunks and smush it. So I am going to show you guys how to do that today. We're going to get the plantains, we're going to cook them off in some coconut oil. You want to salt them nicely after you're done, and it makes for a really nice treat. You want to try to get as green a plantains as possible. You do not want yellow. You do not want dark brown. That is going to lead to a very sweet flavored plantain, which is good. It's a whole nother topic, but not for tostones themselves. So these particular plantains that I have are right on the edge. They probably will have a hint of sweetness to them, which isn't really what you want, but you do the best you can when you're not in the islands, and you get the plantains the best you can. So here we go, we're gonna make some tostones, which are a tremendous Whole30 treat.